Oh hey, what's up, Bad Boys? Welcome to another installment of Bad Boys. Today, we're learning you how to jaywalk, alright? It's very simple, very easy, very illegal, alright? Awesome. So we're just gonna cross the road, but as you can see, no crosswalk, no problem. Let me show you something. Bad Boys! Alright, jaywalking, super easy. Just watch this, alright? So, we inspect the road, looking good, looking clear. We can cross. Oh, no, you, please.
Go ahead. No, you go, you're good, go. Alright.
Alright.
Man, are you gonna cross the street or not?
You can go, yeah, let's go. Alright. Go ahead.
I will get out of this car right now.
No, don't get out of your car. Drive.
Alright, then don't get in the way of my car. Thank you.
Wait, can I go? Or are you going? Man, I'm not playing. I know you're not. I'm not playing either, brother. You drive. Alright. Then let me drive. Go ahead. Wait,
Dude, I don't have time for this stuff. What are you doing? What are you? What's going on?
Bad Boys!
Well, you know, I usually don't get my panties all in a bunch like this, but you know, it was very rude. I'm on my way to a book club, okay? We're on chapter 2 of Death of a Salesman, all right? And this jerk just shows up in the middle of the road, gets in front of me, gets in front of my car. I mean, how am I supposed to react? Yeah, I'm pretty pissed off. In fact, no, I'm pissed. I am so
You know what? This road sucks. Let's find a better road. Yeah. So let's do it then. Just get to the road.
What the are you doing?
I'm crossing the road.
You're in the middle of the country, dude. What the are you doing?
I'm just out here. I'm doing my thing. I'm shooting a little something for the boys, the Bad Boys.
Oh, you got your little camera crew right here. All right.
Hey, all right. Don't be hostile or anything. I don't know why you got.
Listen, man. I'm just trying to cross the road. I'm trying to cross the road in the middle of the country. Why?
Why am I in the country? I'm just trying to show the Bad Boys how to jaywalk and kind of scaring me a little bit. You
don't give me this jacket.
No, you can't have my jacket.
No, give me the jacket.
It's cold out. It's cold out. No, you can't have my jacket.
Dude, if I can't have the jacket, I'm gonna take your life. Thank you.
Wait, where are you going?
I'm driving. I'm getting out of here.
You're getting up. Well, that was from my mom gave me that.
All right, tell your mom I said thanks.
Well, okay.
How do you go?
That didn't work out.
Yeah, so I'm just driving out here in the middle of the country, you know, minding my own business. Maybe I'm gonna go fishing or something. And all of a sudden, this dude just comes out of nowhere. He's like, "Oh, I want to jaywalk in the middle of the road." Who f***ing does that? No one.
I lost your jacket, Pop. It's gone. Some real meanie took it. I'm sorry. There's no mic on this. Have you been recording nothing all day?